Okay, he's not laughing anymore. Hi, I'm Aaron, and I'm in the kitchen, and today, David is still here, y'all. David is still here.
I'm still here. I'm still laughing.
David's still here. We are making chicken salad, but my version. Chicken salad. You know I'm saying my version if you're watching this video, so my version. Chicken salad. Here we go. I don't know if I want to add pickled jalapenos in this or not. I'm gonna taste it as we go and then see if I want to add that. But we are starting off with a whole chicken, shredded. You can do a rotisserie chicken if you have that. I just had a whole chicken. I just shredded it up. Didn't take me but a little bit of time. Going in with an onion. Okay, you can do seasonings.
I can?
Yeah, you can do seasonings.
No,
Like,
start.
go like this, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Start from left.
Yeah.
How much do we do?
A little bit.
A little?
Yeah, go and I'll tell you stop. 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 So, teaspoon of onion powder.
Teaspoon of onion powder.
Why'd you skip the deal?
You said onion powder. Oh, sorry.
Because you just use onion powder.
Yeah, I thought it was good.
You just use onion powder.
Okay, so now we do the deal. How much?
A teaspoon of dill.
Actually, I'm gonna get a teaspoon then.
No,
Why?
because that's not accurately a teaspoon. I'm more accurate than that is.
Okay, then watch Mr. Accurate.
You're doing Rebecca math.
I'm not doing Rebecca math.
Yes, you are, and it's inaccurate. Stop, thank you. That's a teaspoon of dill.
Was it?
It was.
Was it
Teaspoon of garlic.
Really? Interesting. Oh,
Okay.
1.5 teaspoons of garlic.
Yeah, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic. I'm just gonna use the rest of my pickles in here. Why not?
Are those spicy?
Yep.
So, how much?
Teaspoon.
All of it a teaspoon, okay. So that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah? More?
A little bit more. Thank you.
So,
The dried herbs, you can go crazy. The powder, you have to chill. Yeah, about 2 teaspoons of oregano. And the one before that was Italian seasoning.
is this something you guys have in the US?
Italian seasoning? Yeah.
Okay. So, now,
Now you do salt
how much?
until I tell you stop. Stop. Okay, about a teaspoon of salt.
Pepper. Oh, there. Oh. Aha, okay. That's how it works.
Teaspoon of pepper.
It's hard to see. Ah, there we go.
I'm going off my ear. I'm not even looking.
I think that was it.
Nope, that wasn't it.
Wasn't it? Alright.
That's it. Okay.
Alright. Chili flakes.
Half tablespoon of pepper, by the way. Yeah, I'm gonna go by my ear with that too.
It'll be spicy.
Thank you. No, it's not. Not gonna be spicy.
For my European ass, it will.
Probably so. Yeah, that's
So, what do we have? Bagel seasoning.
yes.
What's in that?
What's in that is sesame seeds, white and dark, and fried onion flakes,
Okay.
and some other seasonings in there.
Oh, it smells amazing.
It's one of my favorites.
How much of that?
About 2 tablespoons. So a lot.
I think where are there?
More. More. That's good. Dang, I went on autopilot cutting this onion and I didn't cut it the same as mine. Ah, well. Well, here we go.
So,
Yes, put the whole thing in there. Do I want to add jalapenos to this?
I can eat some bread with it. I can.
It's going on the brioche.
Oh,
That's why I'm making it. So you have the sweetness of the brioche, and I like to pair it with my homemade apple jam or strawberry jam.
oh,
Goes really nice.
jam. This is like your. Does it taste similar to your apple butter?
Yeah, it is my apple butter.
Oh, okay, so.
Mix that.
Okay. What do I use? What do you want me to use?
Grab. Yeah, we're gonna need the other one.
I think half of it or full.
Maybe the whole thing, because
I don't know.
all of this is going in there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
Okay, so 400 grams of mayonnaise so far is going into my mixture here.
400?
I used 4 stalks of green onion that's chopped up, 1 whole onion. Oh, the pickle I didn't measure, but I'm going to guesstimate that that's about 60 grams of pickle.
Speaking of.
Now,
There you go.
let me stuff this all in here. Yummy deliciousness. Shit. I think I am gonna put jalapenos in this. I don't know. I'm gonna let David give that a taste, and then to tell me, because it's probably gonna be too hot for him. He's European.
No one saw that. I've gotten better.
Eat over here more often, and you'll get used to spice. Did you taste this? I don't
No,
think this
not
is
yet. I
spicy.
was waiting for the
eggs. Okay.
I don't know if I should.
I like the eggs. Some people say eggs don't go in chicken salad.
I love eggs.
No, me too. Trying to get a bite of everything in there.
It's very good. In fact, coming from me, I would put the jalapenos in. I would put them in.
Yeah, I think so too.
What do you think of the salt?
You can add salt, and I'm gonna add some pickle juice.
Oh yeah, definitely. Sounds good. And I would add a little bit of pepper, if that's alright.
Which kind of pepper?
Or do you want
Yeah,
white
go
pepper?
for it. Or we can add white pepper. I got white pepper.
Mm,
I thought about adding white pepper.
Okay.
I just didn't.
Let's do it. Let it burn.
Because that's not spicy. Didn't I say it wasn't gonna be spicy?
Well, with you, I never know. You say it's not spicy, and then I'm bread.
That's not spicy.
So, but you know, I like my stuff salty.
Okay, a tablespoon of white pepper added. And some pickle juice. Give me some grace. I ain't gonna tell you how much pickle juice that is. I don't know.
As much as you need. So it makes the sound.
Wow.
That's the equivalent of what they're gonna have at home. They have it at home.
Now these peppers are deceptively not hot to me, but might light your ass on fire.
Well, let me just taste it real fast. Before we put anything else on.
I think you'll be alright. You'll be fine. Okay, I'm not adding a whole lot of jalapeno here. I might add some more. I might not.
I can feel it in my eyes.
The jalapeno? Let's see.
Just like me mixing. Yes. More.
Yeah.
You probably don't even feel a tickle.
Do you?
I'm not gonna say anything. No tickle at all.
Okay.
No, it's not spicy.
Maybe I do a little of the juice too. Just a little bit.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah, go ahead and mix that.
I'll go ahead and mix that.
Mm-hmm. I feel like chicken salad can be real flavorless if you don't zhuzh it.
Mm-hmm.
Smell like mac and cheese. This is my lane. I let him be in his lane.
This is my lane. I stay in my lane.
Mm-hmm. Stay over here.
I think we got it in.
I think so too. If not, this is just for me because I feel like. Okay, 2 tablespoons more of that. So it's like a total of 4 tablespoons of that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't make chicken salad very often.
I didn't even know you made it in general. But I like it. I like your version a lot. Not spicy at all. Sorry.
Little bitch. It's not spicy.
It's not spicy at all.
Yeah, it's not spicy.
This is not very good.
I would go a step further, but I'm gonna leave it alone.
Thank you very much.
But not with the spice.
Texture wise?
No, I would add like some sugar into that,
No.
but I'm gonna leave it alone.
No.
It's perfect.
If I add sugar, it would make it spicier. Mr. Cameraman, do I put this in a nice bowl for presentation to do the taste test? I mean, we kind of been doing the taste test the whole time.
Actually, we have.
Y'all, we've been tasting this the whole time. I don't know. What do you rate this? What do you think?
I think it's amazing. For me, I've had only 2 chicken salads different ones in my life, and this is a 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah, I love it. And look,
It feels fresh. It's tasty. It has a bit of a spice, but it's not too much. It's not like burning your whole face off.
if you have the right spoon.
Oh yeah.
For me, this is a must try, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. Look at this chicken salad, y'all. I am making some fresh bread today, and this is gonna go on top of that. It's gonna be so good. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.
Ciao.